Hello students, our next topic is partograph. Definition of partograph: it is a composite graphical recording of cervical dilatation and descent of the head against duration of labor in hours. It also gives information about fetal and maternal condition that are all recorded on single sheet of paper. ठीक है, तो ये पार्टोग्राफ का पेपर होता है, ग्राफिकल पेपर होता है जिसके अंदर मैटरनल और फीटल जो भी सिचुएशन होती है उसको नोट किया जाता है इसके अंदर। तो इसके अलग अलग पार्ट्स बने हुए आप देख रहे हैं, तो इन अलग अलग पार्ट्स के बारे में हम देखते हैं अभी एक एक करके। सबसे पहले इसकी हिस्ट्री देखते हैं। ये फ्रेडमैन in 1954 provide a foundation basis for the development of partograph on the basis of observation of large number of women in labor. After that, the composition picture of the labor was reported by Philpott in 1972, who combined detail of the progress of labor together with information about fetal and maternal condition. Advantages of using partograph: a single sheet of paper can provide detail of the necessary information at a glance. No need to record labor event repeatedly. Give clear picture of normality and abnormality in labor. It can predict deviation from duration of labor, so appropriate step could be taken in time. And it facilitates handover procedure of staffs and save working time of the staff against writing labor notes in longhand. And then educational value for all staff. Then principles of plotting partograph. First is active phase of the labor commences at 4 cm cervical dilatation. The latent phase of the labor should not last longer than 8 hours. During active labor, the rate of cervical dilatation should not be slower than 1 cm per hour. A lag time of 4 hours between a slowing of labor and need to intervention is unlikely to compromise the fetus of the woman and avoid unnecessary intervention. Then method of recording partograph. Patient information: fill out name, gravida, para, hospital name, date, time of admission and time of ruptured membrane. Then method of recording partograph. First is fetal heart rate. The heart rate of the fetal heart is indicated the state of the fetal inside the uterus. Record every half hour. मेथड ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग पार्टोग्राफ. देन एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड, सेकेंड होता है एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड. तो रिकॉर्ड द कलर ऑफ एमनियोटिक फ्लूइड एट एवरी वेजाइनल एग्जामिनेशन. आई मीन्स मेम्ब्रेन इंटैक्ट, सी मीन्स मेम्ब्रेन रप्चर या क्लियर फ्लूइड, एम मीन्स मेकोनियम स्टेंट फ्लूइड या ब्लड मीन्स ब्लड स्टेंट फ्लूइड. देन मोल्डिंग. मोल्डिंग इज द स्टेट ऑफ रिडक्शन और लॉस ऑफ स्पेस बिटवीन fetal skull bone. Presence of the increased molding of the head high in the pelvic indicates. And CPD. Recording of degree of molding. 0 is bone is separated or suture can be felt easily. 1 is suture opposed, सूचर पास पास में आ गए हैं फीटल स्कल के. सेकंड सूचर इज ओवरलैप. सेकंड में सूचर है वो ओवरलैप हो गए हैं बट रिड्यूसेबल है. और थर्ड में होता है कि सूचर ओवरलैप्ड हो गए बट नॉट रिड्यूसेबल है. देन सर्वाइकल डायलेटेशन. असेस एट एवरी वेजाइनल एग्जामिनेशन मार्क्ड विद ए क्रॉस. Begin plotting on a partograph at 4 cm. The graph consists of homogeneous square, 10 square vertical. Each square indicate 1 cm of cervical dilatation. तो इसमें सर्वाइकल डायलेटेशन को रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है. जितनी भी सर्विक्स का डायलिटेशन है उसको सेंटीमीटर के अकॉर्डिंग। Then the cross in the graph are joined by continuously line begin plotting on the partograph at 4 cm. The climbing tendency of the line normally lies on the left of the middle of graph. Alert line, a line start at 4 cm of cervical dilatation to the point of expected full dilatation at the rate of 1 cm per hour. Then axle line parallel and 4 hour to the right of the alert line. Then descent of the head. This is assessed by abdominal examination before doing vaginal examination. Refers to the part of the head divided into 5 parts palpable above the symphysis pubis. Record as a circle at every vaginal examination. Descent of the head, ठीक है, एब्डोमेन है, ये पेल्विक ब्रिम है, देन पेल्विक कैविटी है, इसके सबसे पहले कंप्लीटली अबोव है, उसके बाद में सिंसिपुट हाई, ऑक्सीपुट इजीली फेल्ड, then sinciput easily felt, occiput we felt, and sinciput felt, occiput just felt, and sinciput felt, occiput not felt, then not head palpable. Hours refers to the time elapsed since onset of the active phase of labor. Time is record actual time. Then uterine contraction. Uterine contraction are recorded graphically on the partograph according to their strength and frequency. Observation of contraction is made half hourly in the active phase. Palpate the number of contraction in 10 minutes and their duration in second. Then less than जो यूटेराइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है उसको इस तरह से जो ग्राफ है उसके अंदर ड्रॉ किया जाता है। लेस देन 20 सेकेंड है तो इस तरह से करेंगे, और ये और बिटवीन 20 to 40 सेकेंड है तो, और मोर देन 40 सेकेंड है तो। Then oxytocin drip. They consist of 2 lines. One of the record of the unit of the oxytocin per liter of IV fluid, and other one is to drop of fluid per minute. And record can be made at the interval of 30 minutes as the uterine contraction. Then drug and other IV fluid. Record any additional drug given and are recorded at the particular point of time. This includes sedative, antibiotics, IV fluids, etc. The name of the drug and doses given should be written clearly in the long box. Then maternal condition. Pulse record every 30 minutes, mark with a dot. And blood pressure record every 4 hourly and mark with arrow. And temperature record every 2 hourly. Then urine analysis. During the course of labor, the examination of urine is important. In case of maternal distress, the volume of the urine may decrease and it may contain ketone bodies. Then urine, protein, acetone and volume can be mentioned. Okay, thank you.